Hi, everyone. My name is Garret Simmer, and I'm a political science major. The three of us are students in Dr. Stephen Rust's Honors College research class, researching Oregon authors.
Hi there, I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Zoe Cantor, and I am a business minor and a psychology major at the U of O.
Hi everyone, my name is Ethan Scott and I'm also a psychology major here at the University of Oregon. Today we will be discussing the impact of conformity on both Ken Kesey as well as in his book, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. So while initially reviewing and reading the book, I know that everyone in my group was really interested in discussing both the theme of escape as well as the theme of conformity. We didn't quite know which direction we wanted to go into yet, and I know that we definitely needed some additional background research and some other different lessons that we had in order to decide that we ultimately wanted to do research on conformity.
So yeah, like Ethan said, after reading various sources from the Special Collections Library and talking it over with Dr. Rust, we ended up deciding on studying conformity. Conformity to us means the idea that members of a group are subject to certain expectations of how they should act, and that if they fail to meet those expectations, they'll be shunned or rejected from society. We knew that Kesey faced this in his own life, and the characters in the novel faced this as well. However, we wanted to tie all our ideas together. This led us to the research question: what role did conformity play in Ken Kesey's life, and how did this impact One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest?
So in terms of our research methods, we spent a lot of time viewing all of the archives provided to us by both Dr. Rust and Linda Long and the Special Collections staff. And so we each chose two documents that we were most interested in and that we felt shed light on which we wanted to study, which was the idea of conformity in Kesey's life and how that related to or impacted One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. And so we were able to tentatively conclude that in both Kesey's life and in the book, the theme of conformity is this constant battle between the pressures of society. And so if you're interested in hearing more about our research methods or the conclusions that we came to, feel free to read our methods and conclusions sections in our poster.
And the goal of our poster design is to explain in depth the findings of our research while also using photos and art to further accentuate our writing. We included photos of Ken Kesey and his correspondence, as well as some art which was used in the book and the primary sources. Lastly, we also incorporated some snippets of Kesey's original letters.
Now, as we look into the future, I know that myself, along with my group members, all plan on continuing researching this idea of conformity within One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest and within Ken Kesey's life. I think we also plan on all incorporating other themes in the book, like the theme of escape that I previously mentioned, in order to see how these different themes intertwine.
So finally, we would like to thank Dr. Rust, as well as Linda Long and the Special Collections staff for making this project happen in light of our current situation. We would also like to thank everyone working behind the Undergraduate Research Symposium. So without you guys, this project wouldn't have been possible. And once again, thank you. We really appreciate all of your hard work and dedication.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.